So today I will discuss what is the reference and what is the object. Now see this example that I have one class. Within the class I have one member variable, that one is a x and one is a member method. Clear? And this one is the driver class where I use the main function. Now I want to create the object. Now test t1, okay, equal to new test. So using the default constructor calling, I want to create the object of the test class. Now what is this? New test is the object. This one will create the object where the address of the object will store within the t1, which one is known as the reference variable. Clear? Maybe if you want to create like this, you can do also test t1. You create one variable. Which type of variable? This one is the reference type of variable. So t1 will store the address of some object. That one is the new test. So it will create one object and the address of the object will store within the t1. So this one we normally write like this. So what will happen? In the memory, when we create your object, the object will store within the heap memory. So here the new test, when we using the new test, then the within the memory part, the heap memory, the test object, new test object will be stored. And t1 is the reference type of variable which will store the address of the t1. So what is this? We have the x variable and the disp method. Now if I want to create one more object, that one is the test t2. This one is one more reference type of variable which will store the address of the new test. So here again, when using the new test, then again one more within the heap memory, one more object will be stored. Again here also one x variable and one disp method. Now t2 is the reference type of variable which will store the address of the new test. Clear? And this one, normally this one is the heap memory where you store the object, and the reference type of variable normally will store within the stack type of memory. Clear? All of you know what is the stack and what is the heap. Already you study in the data structure. So reference type of variable will store within the stack and the object is stored within the heap memory. Now if you do like this, that one is the test maybe t3 equal to t2. So t2 and t3 both are the same type of object, but t3 is one more reference type of variable which also hold the address of this object. So both are stored same type of variable. Both t3 and t2 will store the address of this object. So both reference will be address will be same. So t3 and t2 are the different type of reference variable, but they will store both are same address. Clear? T2 and t3, they are pointing to the same reference. Clear? So what is the concept of the reference and what is the concept of the object?